Welcome to RPR. In this video, we'll talk about JavaScript packages available in Automation Anywhere. For doing that, I'm going to create one taskbot and will provide the name of taskbot as a JavaScript package. Here, I will show you end-to-end which all JavaScript packages are available. By using that example, I will explain you in detail. Now let's start with this. Here, first I wanted to open a JavaScript package. That's the reason I'm just dropping the actions open, then run JavaScript and finally close it. Important factor is here, I'm going to use or add manual input. Even you can add control room file, variable or desktop file. As of now, I'm going ahead and adding this manual input, which should perform some very basic functions. Once this value will be added here, this manual input data is for addition of number, that is number 1, number 2, and final value should be added. So first here I'm going to add as a function add numbers, and post that we have to store in GS output. And finally, I wanted to show on message box, whatever value will be generated, that should be present here. So sum of number or sum of two numbers value should be printed here. For that reason, I'm just adding this data. Post that, I will hit run, and it's a very quick and easiest process where we can execute JavaScript code with Automation Anywhere. Now you can see the message box is populated. Sum of two number is 15. As of now, we have directly added the value, that is 5 and 10. That's the reason it's directly adding the value, and you can see the result. Post that, it will close it. Again, I will just open one more JavaScript and close. And finally, we'll use all three actions here. In this case, I will just add a new functions where I wanted to print hello message. Here again, we'll add manual input of JavaScript and post that here I wanted to provide the right name is the executed. Here I wanted to store the variable so that we can showcase into the message box. So I'm covering a very basic topics related to the JavaScript, but whenever in any projects it's required to add any or call any JavaScript functions or code, by using these steps you can quickly call out. That's the reason I was trying to cover how you can call or how you can execute JavaScript code through Automation Anywhere. Now I added here message box, and post that again I will hit run. Here you can see final message is my name is RPA Hub, which is a text we have added. That's how we can execute Automation Anywhere with JavaScript. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.